I know, I've been doing back-to-back videos and this is a massive bag, but there's only one pair in it. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Alan if you're a first-time visitor or a viewer of this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I had the opportunity of getting my hands on a pair of the new Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows. And like you know, there were two colors. There was tropical pink and there was shy pink. Now, I didn't visually see the pairs. I only remember mentally how the two pairs were, and in my head, the shy pink was mostly just beige except for the outsole, and I wasn't a big fan of that. It was too muted in my opinion. What I didn't realize is that the swoosh is pink on one of the sides, and then it also came with SB pink laces that make it pop. And I really wanted something that was pink, so I went for the tropical pink, not realizing that the swoosh on that is red. Well, I'm just grateful. I know I'm whining and complaining a lot, but I'm just grateful I was able to get my hands on them. So let's get the box out. It's got this nice strawberry vanilla ice cream kind of a look to it on the box. Now, hey, if you guys haven't subscribed already before I lift the lid, please make sure to do so and give this video a thumbs up. Now, like you would have seen on my other AJ1 Low OG reviews, I went down a half size on my Chicagos and on my breads. I do have a pair of the olive or the reverse olive in the Travis 1 Lows, which I picked in my true size, a US 9. And I can wear it. I just haven't worn it because something about I like a one-to-one fit, and something about the space in front puts me off. But that's the reason why I went down a half size on this pair. So it's a US 8.5, a UK 7.5. So while I usually wear a 42.5 EUR, this is a 42, like on my bread and my Chicago Lows. Now, I haven't seen this pair myself. It's going to be the first time I'm going to be seeing it along with you guys. I've seen images of the pair online, but in the flesh, first time. Oh, look at that, nice pink. I love the packaging and the detailing on this pair, the box especially, because I've only seen it. And there, nice butter paper. It's like custard, right? It's like custard. So you have that the Wings logo, the Cactus Jack logo, and so on. And that's the butter paper. Let's lift this up as well. Boom. Just some more butter paper. And in true Jordan brand of late pattern or fashion, individually wrapped pairs for the tropical pink. Now, that only means it's easier for us both to take a look at it at the same time as I unwrap it. Let me get the box out of the way. Okay, what pair do we go with? This is the right pair. I think we'll do the right pair. And I love how they pack it. It's like a Subway sandwich. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. I completely forgot. Bam. The Air Jordan 1 Low Cactus Jack Tropical Pink. Now, the swoosh on this pair is red on both sides. Alright, so the left pair comes with two additional laces attached. You have the pink lace, which I think on this pair would be a overkill. And then you have the red lace. I'm definitely not going with red. That's too bright for me. They came pre-laced with these white laces. I wish they were sale. I'll probably try and see if I have some sale laces lying around that I can swap out with them. And this is the pair. Detailed, starting off with the heel, you have the Cactus Jack logo embroidered on, and also your Air Jordan Wings logo embroidered on, much like all of the other earlier editions of your Travis pair. On the right pair, you see that Cactus Jack branding right here, printed on, red swoosh, and your lateral side has that reverse swoosh. Your left pair, same thing again, Cactus Jack, big retro OG Nike swoosh, and you have the backwards swoosh on the lateral side. There's some other interesting details as well. We'll have to go through that. But otherwise, pretty much like any other Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Gonna get the stuffing out. And the first thing, of course, you have your pink tongue. Yeah, with your Nike Air tag right there. And then you can see right here, sideways, you have the Cactus Jack tag. But that's what's a little different on the left pair. Now, while you have your Cactus Jack tag right here, you have the Nike branding on the tongue, but it's got a little heart over here, which is so cool, so cute, maybe. So it's supposed to be a Valentine's pair, I guess. I think these were rumored to have been released. I mean, they were supposed to have been released around Feb or Jan of this year for Valentine's Day, but it got pushed back. I don't know for whatever reasons. And now it's here mid-year. Well, it's never too late to celebrate love, I guess. Let me pull out the insoles. Oh man, do I want to pull out the insoles? Not a big fan of doing that, but I think we might have to show you. Because the insoles have some interesting branding on it. Man, why am I struggling so much to get these out? I'm gonna take a break because I'm getting a little frustrated. So let's go through the shoe again. You have this nice aged midsole sale, slightly darker sale than usual. All of these white panels that you see on the upper are all leather, a little hard leather. You can see when I press it down, the tumbling happening on it. So the white panels, the swoosh are all leather on both sides. Whereas what's interesting is that the pink panels are Nubuck. You know, it's like when I press down, there's no tumbling or anything. So the pink panels like there, not your glossy, shiny leather. The greatest traction of all time by Jordan brand, again done in pink. And now is attempt 2 of getting the insoles out. Let's go. Somebody's glued them on really well. Ah, got it. So I'm gonna get the right pair's insole out first, and there you have it. You have the Cactus Jack logo, your Nike Air Futura branding, Travis Scott, and a nice little heart with an arrow going through it. So yeah, this was a proper Valentine's Day edition. This is your last, you can see all of that. And for the left pair, Jesus give me the patience and the ability. Oh, I shouldn't be taking the name of the Lord in vain. Okay, got this one out too. On the left pair, you have the Wings logo, you have the Cactus Jack text, and of course, your Jumpman branding. So that's the details on the insole. Your sock liner, of course, done in that pink detailing. And that's about it for this video, you guys. What do you think in terms of lace options? Should I go pink? I think pink would be overkill. Red, definitely not, unless I leave it with the white or I swap it out for some sail laces. But that's it, short and sweet. I don't think I'm gonna slip these on feet. I'm gonna set them aside, wait for, I think a lot of people are gonna be wearing their pairs. Man, you know what? I have my lost and found Air Jordan 1s that I've still not worn because I thought a lot of people were wearing them around me, and I was waiting to get them out when it's probably everybody else has a beat up pair and mine is still fresh. I think I gotta start wearing that one. Okay, I rambled on for too long. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.